So now we're going to bring in engine lift to support the engine before we remove the last two bolts. There's a spot right there. There's a spot right back here that was right next to where the turbo was that you can attach it, and then right here that bracket that we reinstalled that was holding on to the alternator is also another one of the lift points. Alright, well before we start lifting it, we got to actually move the hood supports to a different spot. Alright, so all you do is remove these two bolts right here. They're both 10 millimeters. So then all you gotta do is move it from these two and then move it down to this lower position. There we go. Alright, so now that we have the engine supported, we're gonna remove the last two bolts that are holding the transmission to the engine. Come out! The engine's coming out. Alright, so what we're going to do is, well, you could say, what are we going to do, Thiago?
Pull it out.
We're going to pull it out. So we're gonna start jacking up the engine lift, and we're going to try to pull just the weight off and try to get it off of the engine mounts on the bottom, and then be able to slide it back and get it off of the spline off the transmission. So we're just going to take this kind of slow. Alright, so now we're going to roll the jack in and support the transmission. So we're right under here with a block of wood in between so you don't... Damn it, Thiago, I'm talking. And we're going to just jack it up and support right underneath the transmission.
Is the bolts off?
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, so right here, we already stuck the pry bar on this side, and you just put some light pressure, right? Yeah. And it'll start separating, and now he's going to be prying on that side while I try to guide out the engine from here. Alrighty. Alrighty. Ready. Go, go. Oh.
I think we got it. Let's make sure.
You lied to me.
No, but the thing is the engine off the thing?
What?
The motor mounts?
Yeah, by a lot.
Okay.
Try.
Go. Let me try it a little bit.
There it is. Alright, wait, let me lift this up a little. The engine, I think. Just guide it out.
There we go. That's it. Go up.
Alright, so you want to guide it while I crank it up?
Yeah.
Alright, well, engine's out. It was as easy as that.